Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, latest 2023 cell phone, factory unlocked Android smartphone. With 512GB internal storage and 200 megapixels camera, also available night mode feature, and long battery life, also the addition of S Pen, and United States version feature. For wireless carrier is unlocked for all carriers. And this Samsung S23 Ultra smartphone has also been updated with operating system Android version 13.0 with 5G cellular technology network. For 512GB memory storage capacity is also available. Other connectivity technologies such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB. Color lavender is available. With screen size 6.8 inches. Wireless network technology types GSM, CDMA and LTE are also available. RAM memory installed in this smartphone size 12GB per second. With a weight of 234 grams and charging time 59 minutes, also 5000 mAh battery capacity. To see the price of the Samsung S23 Ultra, we have provided a link in the description. We Kiki Review say, thank you for watching this Samsung S23 Ultra video and see you soon.